Good afternoon, viewers. It's Sam.M, your usual friend, and it is Great Impacts Multiventures Ltd. This afternoon, we've come with some little assistance on our arithmetics. We found out that a lot of people find it difficult to do a lot of arithmetic manipulations, and this sometimes cause a lot of problems handling some real life aspects of our lives when it comes to the use of figures. So this afternoon I'm going to be discussing some tricks on how to make the calculations a lot easier. And so I'm going to be talking about how we can square any number that ends in 5, how we can square it and get the right and accurate answer without the assistance of any calculating machine or computer or whatever it is, without even using a multiplication table. So I'll be taking some numbers now that end in 5, and I'll show us how we can quickly find the square of such numbers. So the title once again is how to square numbers that end in 5. That's end with 5, with figure 5. And examples of such numbers. Let's take examples of such numbers now. Examples of such numbers are numbers like 15, 25, numbers like 35, numbers like 45, as big as 95, like that, and so on and so forth. So to start with, I'm going to be starting with 15. If a question says, let's take this question. It says, find the square of 15. If you're in a mental math class where you have to quickly get your answer fast before your friends get their calculators, let's do this. 15. What you are looking for is 15 squared. Now break this down into 1 and 5. Digitally speaking, if you count your digits, you have 1, and the number that follows 1 is 2. So say 1 times 2, put this sign here, and then multiply 5 by itself. So you have 1 times 2, and that gives you 2. 5 times 5, 25. I have shown if you use calculator, the right answer is 225. 225 is the answer. And we can try that with as many numbers as possible. So I'm going to take 45 next. You can practice 25 and 35. Let's say find the square of 45. Let me increase this number. 45. If you want to find the square of 45, 4, and then you have 5. What number follows 4? 5. What number follows, if you have to square 5 by itself, then you have 4 times 5, 20, and then 5 times 5 is 25. Let's check if these answers are correct. In case you want to check, let's take the first one. In the standard way, 15 times 15.